Good morning, guys. So today we're actually gonna go be playing some golf. My coworkers invited me to play over at Rio Pinar. I haven't played in like, I don't know, like 5 months maybe. It's gonna be interesting. It'll be fun, say the least. And then I think we're gonna go to the boat after that, after lunch. So it's gonna be a full day, but let's go get some breakfast in, and then I have to leave because honestly, if I don't leave now, I'm not gonna be able to get Wawa, and we have to get Wawa before golf. So let's go do that. 0 calories, right? Like the good old Max Tuning says, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's all 0, no matter how much you use. I'm kidding. I wouldn't know how much is in there after that much. Let's get some eggs. Egg whites, of course. Oh. This is about to be a fail, but I'm gonna try to crack it with one hand. Oh no, that is not how you do that. I am almost positive. I don't know how many of you all are actually like, you know, working with a coach or anything, but my coach is pretty damn good. Like, I don't know how many of y'all coaches have y'all eating 3 Eggo waffles in the morning and you're still losing weight.
So, we in fact did not make it to Wawa for coffee because I am running late. Our tea time's at 9:48. I'm the guy who's getting there at 9:48. Usually not this bad, but you know, I don't know, this morning was just not very efficient. But the guys are there already. We're gonna, no warm up. First 9's the warm up, right? That's how it usually is. And then let's just see how today goes. Hopefully we get some holes in. I'll try to record some of the holes today, but we'll see how it goes. I'll see you guys on the course. Not a good start today. First 2 shots, complete hooks. Beautiful course. You may be wondering why I am on the floor. Well, I'm exhausted. People were slow, the rain came, and you know, this is what happens. What are you gonna do? And I might just take a nap, to be honest. I thought this vlog was gonna be better today, but you know, it's all right. What are you gonna do about it? Who knows what we might do later, so we'll see. So we did not make it for sunrise, clearly, but still should be a good day. We got some surfing and got these got her tea.
It's too early for coffee.
That made no sense.
For me.
0 sense.
Well,
I have
it's
my
bad
coffee.
on an empty stomach. Says TikTok.
It's not my fault that you walk at the pace of a turtle.
I'm sightseeing.
What? Grass? Palm fronds?
What?
That's what those are called, Kathy.
Palm fronds.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's talk about how Gabe loves his cowboy hat.
I do.
I need some help.
You made it. You get there? Can I have my coffee?
My arm is cramping.
Beautiful morning.
Gabe is gonna go surfing.
It's been a while, but
Yeah.
been a long time actually.
He's bored.
Very long time. But I'm ready.
His shirt on.
Good old red dog, you know. But let's see if I can catch anything. Probably can't, but
You probably will.
maybe Kathy will get some footage of it, but
I doubt it.
maybe not. Let's go. Should be fun. Bueno. I will see you. Love you.
Bye. I'm following. All done?
Got wrecked.
I saw. How was it?
It was fun.
The sun is bad.
Just hard.
As you can see, I had to make another run to Costco. I ran out of everything again. I eat like, how many pounds of chicken do you think I eat a week, Kathy?
Too much.
Well, like
He's
40
gonna turn it into a chicken.
14. I'm gonna turn it into a chicken. I'm gonna start growing feathers and wings.
Ew.
But we finally found seaweed. This is like they've been out forever.
And
So,
we eat like salmon bowls every night.
oh yeah. Egg waffles. Vegetables.
Nice.
Yeah, we're about to go to the gym. We literally slept like the whole afternoon after.
You slept.
I slept. I
After the
slept
beach.
the whole afternoon. So, and now we're gonna go because after the beach drained us. So, we're just gonna go to the gym now. What are we doing? Chest and shoulders? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be a good one.